Hey there everyone, I'm back with a new video for you. Today we're going to dive into the world of Balsamiq and I'll show you just how important it can be for your content marketing. Balsamiq is a user-friendly wireframing and prototyping tool that is essential for content marketing. It allows you to create low-fidelity wireframes and prototypes of your content marketing projects without needing any advanced design skills. Wireframes are simple sketches of your content that show the layout and structure of the page. Prototypes are more interactive wireframes that allow you to test out different features and functionality. Balsamiq is important for content marketing because it helps you to plan your content more effectively. By creating wireframes and prototypes of your content before you start writing, you can visualize how it will look and function. This can help you to identify any potential problems early on and make necessary adjustments. Next is, it helps you to create more engaging content. Balsamiq can help you to add interactive elements to your content such as images, videos, and forms. This can make your content more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. It can also help you to improve your user experience. Balsamiq can help you to design website layouts and landing pages that are easy to navigate and use. This can improve the user experience on your website and lead to more conversions. And lastly, it can help you save time and resources. Balsamiq is a quick and easy way to create wireframes and prototypes for your content. This can save you a lot of time and resources in the long run. Balsamiq can be used to create a variety of content marketing materials, including blog posts, landing pages, email campaigns, infographics, quizzes, and calculators. By using Balsamiq to plan, design, and prototype your content marketing materials, you can create more effective and engaging content that will resonate with your audience. Overall, Balsamiq is a powerful tool that can help you to create more effective and engaging content marketing projects. If you're looking for a way to improve your content marketing strategy, I highly recommend checking out Balsamiq. Thanks for joining me today on this learning journey. Once again, thank you for watching Balsamiq, your content marketing companion. See you in my next video.